Hello, we are IS Solutions Incorporated, responding to the request for proposal sent out by AB Grow Incorporated regarding the implementation of a customer service information system. Hi, I'm Justine, the CMO. Our team, Dylan, Dustin, Thomas, Reese, Brandon, and myself, deeply believe in a good job done, and we are very productive together as we work with other companies to advance their technological capabilities. With our experience at McCune University's School of Business and as a corporation, we understand the workings of the business world and the needs of the companies that we partner with. We deeply value the potential of partnering with AB Grow for this project, and if we are chosen, you can expect our full commitment.
Current processes at AB Grow are well established and provide a good experience for customers throughout the shopping process. Our proposal aims to take that customer experience from good to extraordinary. With our proposed solution, customers simply walk out of the store while the items in their cart are charged to their account. The reduced need for direct assistance by staff will reduce staffing requirements and labor costs. Our proposal comes with low fixed costs and reduced staffing requirements, which will offset the operating and maintenance expense of running the CSIS. Including development and rigorous testing phases, our implementation timeline is only 2.5 months. The cost savings, increased efficiency, and deeper insights into the business will forever change the way AB Grow does business.
Checkout queue times. Currently, shoppers face lengthy queues, particularly during busy hours, which lead to frustration and reduced satisfaction. High operational costs. By implementing the CSIS, we intend to not only reduce labor costs of frontline employees, but the supportive labor costs will be reduced as a result. System integration. Through use of an enterprise application server, our CSIS will mesh smoothly with all existing platforms. After careful review, we've been able to break down a customer journey into the following 5 sections. 1. Customer entry, where they navigate through the aisle. 2. Product is selected and added to their cart. 3. Queue, where the customer waits in line. 4. Transaction, where the staff records the transaction and processes payment. 5. Finally, the customer collects their bags and departs. By streamlining the process, we expect to complete removal of both 3 and 4 from the existing 5-step customer process, or reducing the customer experience by about half. Such enhancements are expected not only to elevate the shopping experience, but also to raise the sales by leveraging improved operational efficiency.
1. In-house app development using local software company and smartwatch technology are the alternatives. There are also pros and cons with these alternatives. The in-house app development for AB Grow will develop their own app, allowing shoppers to keep track of what they're getting in the store. The pros are the items are easy to track, convenience to purchase the items, and cons will be it requires added resources for hire and training employees to develop the app. Securities of the app are also concerned. Having customer information for the app also would be a concern. Hiring local company software is also another alternative. It would be cost efficient to the company, allowing teamwork between software company and app grow. The negatives are the software companies might have little expertise around the grocery and the retail industries. Smartwatch technology would also be another alternative, allowing easy access to cashless payments, tracking records of items in the cart. A negative about this alternative would be technology's lifespan of the watch. It could break down malfunctions, which drive maintenance costs up. There are 5 selection criteria. Time required to develop the implement of the technology. User engagement, the engagement and satisfaction for customers and staff members of AppGrow. Some might disagree with the new technology because they might lose their jobs. And then the third will be cost effectiveness for development and implementation, even maintenance of this technology. Fourth, technological reliability, the system technology's performance, stability, and dependability. Fifth, will be adaptability, the system capacity to grow and adjust to changing environments, as well as how simple it is for employees and customers to adopt. Now we have the proposed solution. The description is the information system effortlessly connects with the current infrastructure and improves overall shopping experience for customers. And the features and functions for all these would be the recognition technology using cameras, sensors, and machine AI algorithm that can recognize and identify the items in the cart. Then security for transaction process using customer service information system to secure payments. And then mobile app compatibility would be working with your phone to pay for items. Support just be general staff working to help support the problems. And then finally, we have the similar analysis of technologies would be Amazon Go. They also uses vision, sensory fusion, and AI learning for all these.
The actual process of how our idea will work would be quite simple. For the customer setup, they must first download our app and allow it to access key features of the device, such as the camera and location services. Once that is done, they must create an account and upload a legal credit card for the app for them to pay through. When the customers are ready to shop for groceries, they enter the store and sign into the app. As they enter, a camera will be placed above the front doors and scan the customer's face and link that face with the customer's profile. Once the customer is ready to start shopping, they wander the store looking for their items. Once they've found something they want to buy, they place the item in their cart and have one of two choices. The first is that they can scan the related QR code that will be located in multiple places throughout the aisle, bringing them to that aisle's options of items and selecting the one they choose. The second option is to search for the item in the app search bar and select it that way. After the customer has put the selected item to their virtual cart, several strategically placed cameras with facial recognition technology will ensure that the customer is located in the appropriate area for where that item is. When the customer is ready to check out, they must pay through the app and are free to go. Regarding security, another camera will be placed at the exit, and as the customer leaves the store, the camera scans their face again. The camera system will notify the front-end staff if there are any red flags during the customer's shopping trip. These red flags would pop up if the customer added something when they are located in the wrong section of the store, or if the cameras could not locate the customer as they are adding items to the virtual cart. If one of the red flags does pop up, one of the front-end staff would need to check the customer's virtual receipt and ensure all items are accounted for. We have broken down the costs into three sections. Starting with our development costs, we estimate that the entire app development from research to final testing will be around $30,000. While the camera system will total to be close to $2,000. This includes the facial recognition software and installation costs. As for the operational costs, we have planned for two major areas. The first is the monthly fees to have an operating camera system. This will cost around $80 per month. The second area would be the staff. This is an area where money can be saved, as our design allows less staff to be needed throughout the day. We estimate that you'll save 10% from wages with front-end staffing, HR, and payroll employees. Adding this all together leaves the monthly costs at around $24,968. Finally, we'll have the standard maintenance costs. Our estimation is that these costs will be rather low, as most of the maintenance costs for the camera system will be covered through the monthly fees, leaving the only maintenance cost for the app estimated around $2,000 a month.
When it comes to the impact our CSIS will have on the business, we have thought of the economic, cultural, and environmental impacts. Starting with economic, an easy data entry will enhance efficiency overall. Enhanced sales and marketing tactics will therefore come from this. Overall, we have thought of higher customer satisfaction, increasing in clientele for AB Grow. Environmental includes an increase in sustainability due to less waste produced and therefore looking towards resource optimization for AB Grow. Cultural thinks about better data analysis, therefore better decision-making processes for the company. Overall, smooth operation and increased employee morale. More engaged employees will rise from this, which could produce a less toxic workplace and more employee productivity and innovation overall. For the implementation plan, we have divvied out a schedule. For the development, it's going to run us about 2 months. Then the testing for the first and second stages at about 1.5 months. Our beta test is going to last about a month. And finally, the full launch will do 2.5 months. For AB Grow, we're offering a warranty period of 1 year. Our maintenance schedule is as follows. We have a bunch of different maintenance types. starting with recurring with our warranty and post-warranty, all the way down to further implementation and maintenance, all with different rates and different options for monthly or per request.
Upon acceptance of this proposal, IS Solutions will begin work on the proprietary smartphone app that customers will use to interact with AB Grow's new CSIS. The next steps in implementing the system will be the installation of hardware throughout the store and training of management on how to operate the system. Finally, routine maintenance and support will ensure the continued smooth operation of the new CSIS and that any unforeseen issues in use or implementation are addressed promptly.